Think about never paying taxes on your wealth. Sounds appealing, right? Billionaires employ a technique that appears almost magical, known as the buy, borrow, die strategy. This approach cleverly allows them to keep their wealth without triggering any taxes. Let's delve into the details. Initially, buy means acquiring valuable assets. Typically, this includes stocks, real estate, and other investments. The key is to invest in these assets at an affordable price, ensuring their value appreciates over time. Wealth can expand without the need to sell. Next comes borrow. Rather than cashing out assets, billionaires borrow against them. They secure loans using their stocks or properties as collateral. This grants them liquidity without tax implications. Often, the interest rates on these loans are low, making it a wise financial choice. Finally, we arrive at die, which concludes the strategy. Upon their passing, a billionaire's assets transfer to their heirs. Due to a tax rule called the stepped-up basis, heirs inherit these assets at their current market value. They won't owe any capital gains tax, regardless of appreciation. To put this into perspective, imagine a billionaire purchasing stocks valued at $10 million. Over time, these stocks soar to $50 million. Instead of liquidating, they borrow $20 million against them. They live lavishly without ever needing to sell. When this billionaire passes away, their heirs inherit the stocks at the value of $50 million. Because of the stepped-up basis, they won't incur taxes on the $40 million gain. It's almost as if the gain never existed in terms of tax obligations. In conclusion, the buy, borrow, die strategy empowers the wealthy to grow and retain their assets. They sidestep taxes while passing on their fortunes. Grasping this strategy uncovers how billionaires skillfully manage their finances. Interested in discovering more about effective wealth management? Subscribe today for insightful and actionable tips.